Hey, what's up fam? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create the new select message option that Discord created. So without further ado, let's just hop into the video.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
So we were gonna be using a package that you probably heard of it lately, or recently. So it's called Discord buttons. So basically, it was made for buttons in the beginning, but now they are just upgrading it. So to install, you're gonna just need npm here, Discord buttons, like this. Alright, keep this somewhere safe. Take a screenshot, remember it. Easy. Alright, after you do this, you're gonna go to your index or the main file. You're gonna do require, just without any console or anything, just require Discord buttons. Alright. And you're gonna put here client. What is client? It's my Discord .client basically. Alright, so let's create a command real quick. Let me go to commands, let me go to file, let me go here, create a new file, name it select menu.js. Let me put the command handler and name the command menu. Alright, let me put this like that and then require Discord buttons. Alright, I don't want to put anything right now. Just keep up with me, alright? I want you to focus, concentrate with me. This is easy. It might look kinda hard, but it's easy. Just look and concentrate with me. Understand what I mean, what I want to say. If you got any question, don't hesitate joining the Discord server. You'll find the link in the description. And let's just start coding. So, this, I want it to be a menu that has 3 buttons, alright? One choice, and one to reload the message. Perfect? Good. So, I want after that, I'll show you an event, and after I finish this, I will create a button that removes the select menu from the message. Perfect? Alright, let's see it right now real quick. So, first of all, I'm gonna create 3 options. So, option 1 equal new, and there's something called message menu option, alright, that we're gonna put it over here. So message menu option. Perfect, right here, new message menu option. So I'm gonna just put like that. So I'm gonna add this 2 more times. So I'm gonna have option 1, option 2, option 3. Add some spacing. Alright, perfect. So there's something called the set label and the set description, the set emoji, and the set value. Let me explain each. Alright, set label, the set label here, is basically the one on your screen right now. Look at it. Alright, that's the label. So I'm gonna put the label, let's say as let's say cola. Alright. And let's set that description as description. That the one you see right now on the screen, that's the description. I'm gonna set it as let's say a drink, a soda drink. Alright. That let's put here. Let's just keep it like that, alright? So that's the description. Now I'm gonna show you the set emoji. Alright, emoji is basically the one you see on the screen right now. It's not complicated, you can already tell. So there's 2 ways to get an emoji. If you want a custom emoji or you want a normal emoji. To get a normal emoji is pretty easy. You're gonna just go to your Discord, put a backslash, get the normal emoji. Alright, they're here, cola, the normal ones. There is no. Alright, so let me just get a drink or anything. Yep, here. Alright, as you can see, it changed. It just looks different right now. I'm gonna just put it over there. But if I want a custom emoji, I'm gonna do backslash as well. I'm gonna put something like anything. Alright, doesn't really matter. Let me get here like this emoji. Alright, this frog, the weird frog. I'm gonna just press on it. As you can see, it just got this. So if I got this is the ID of the emoji, as you can see. Alright, you need to copy this and you need to put it over here to get the custom emoji. Alright, so let me put here the old one. Alright, I'm gonna use the custom one in another message. Alright, let's keep the ID here. And let me tell you what is sub value. Alright, with a cap V. So the value is basically what defines the option. It's like an ID if you don't know. Alright, so is there spacing? No, there's no. Alright, my voice kinda crashed for some reason, I don't know why. Anyways, let's put this as cola, as option, as value I mean. Alright, let me just copy those, put them here, and put here as well. So I'm gonna set this as water, alright, and I'm gonna put here water to drink, and here I'm gonna just, I don't know, let's get water. There's no water here. Is there a bottle maybe? Actually, let's just use this one, since I said I'm gonna use a custom emoji. Alright, I'm gonna name the value as water. Alright, so the option 3 gonna be reload. Alright, so I want it to reload the message. So I'm gonna put here reload the message, and emoji, let's just put like a loading one or something. Loading. Alright, let's use this. I'm gonna just copy it, put the backslash here, got the ID, paste it, and put the value as reload. Perfect. Alright, so we got 3 options right now. So that's called message menu option. Now we want the menu itself. So it's called just message menu without option. So I'm gonna add it over here, message menu. I need to put a comma here as well. So const menu. Alright, let me put here like this, equal new message, and also this is without an M here, new message menu. Perfect. I'm gonna just do like a button. I'm gonna need to set ID. I'm gonna set the ID as menu1 as example, alright? And I'm gonna set the placeholder. Alright, if you don't know what is a placeholder, you'll see it right now on the screen. It's basically before it just shows this. Alright, so I'm gonna put here like choose your drink. Alright, I don't know, I'm gonna just choose this. And I'm gonna do something, add option. Alright, I'm gonna add 3 options. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I can do like options and an array, but I'm gonna just do this because I know this will work. So I'm gonna put here option 1, option 2, and option 3. Alright, perfect. And there's something called .set max value. Let's keep it as 2, but I will talk about it after a while. Alright, we will not use it right now. So Now I want to create a message action row. I guess you've heard about this, so I'm gonna use message action row. So row 1 equal new message action row, and I'm gonna dot add component is going to be menu. Alright, that's it. So now I want to send it, so I'm gonna do await message.channel .send. I'm gonna put here something such as hello sir. I'm gonna put here components like this. Let me also put here space, put an array, and I'm gonna put here row 1, the one I just created. Alright, so now it should work. No dot. Let's check this out. So if I did menu, as you can see, it says here choose your drink, the placeholder, hello sir. If I pressed on this, as you can see, there is cola, there is water, there is reload. Alright, so I'm gonna just press a random anything. Alright, I'm gonna just say interaction failed, as you can see over here, because we didn't actually do any interaction with it, we just sent it. So there's an event called click menu that emits once you click on an option inside of the menu. So actually you can put it here in your index and you can put it in your command. But what is the difference? Look, if I put it in my index, like I put it over here or in my event handler, alright, here, click menu, what's gonna basically happen if I restarted the bot, alright, and I had this here, if I try to press on it again after I reload the bot, it will work, alright, but if I have it inside of my select menu here, if I restarted the bot, the old message will not work, alright. So since I'm testing, so I don't actually have to put it inside of the index, I'll just put it inside of the command. But for you, if you want, after you restart the bot, the same menu still works, just put it in your index. Alright, so I'm gonna just put here, click menu, I'm gonna sync it, put the parameter is menu. Alright, and here, let's check what we got here. So, if, I want to say if menu dot values 0, alright, I want check if it's equal to cola, alright, the value we want to do something, alright, and I will explain this in a second. Let me just do it here again. Put this as water, put this as reload. Alright, focus with me, alright. So why I did menu.values like took it as an array and put it as 0. So basically, when you click on the bottom, the values are gonna be something like this. Value 1, alright, and then value 2, and then value 3. So once you click on the button, this value 1 is gonna be, in the array is gonna be 0, alright? So for some beginners, this might be kind of complicated, alright? But actually it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna just show you to you right now in a second. Here, alright. So look, this is 1, this is 2, alright. So the choices over here start from 0 to the end, alright. So I want to say here if the button that I pressed, that's basically the first button in the array and the only button in the array for now, that is basically the values at 0. If it is equal to the value I need, alright, I want to do something. So let me actually show you right now. If it is cola, I want to first do message, or I mean menu dot message or dot channel. Let's do dot channel dot send. Here is your cola set. Alright. If it is water, I want to do menu dot channel dot send. Here is water. That's it. Alright. And if it is reload, I want to do menu dot channel dot or dot message, because I want to update the message. Dot update. Alright, that's new. Alright, you probably never seen this. So dot update is just the same as dot edit, but it's here dot update. Alright, so menu dot message dot update. I'm gonna update it to adjust. Oops. I just reloaded the message. Alright. So let's take a test, a quick one, on what we got over here. So I'm gonna do equal menu. Hello sir, choose your drink. I'm gonna choose cola. Here is your cola sir. So as you can see, it's still loading and it sends this interaction failed. How can I prevent it from saying this interaction failed even though it worked? Like, it actually sent it. So that's pretty easy. I'm gonna just go over here, I'm gonna put menu dot reply dot defer. Also for the buttons, now it is not button dot defer, it is button dot reply dot defer. Alright, and I wait. So I'm gonna just put it here and here. But for the reload, it's an update here, so I don't have to put defer. If I put defer, I will get an error. Alright, so don't put defer here. So I just put it on those, and let's test it. So menu, I'm gonna choose water. As you can see, no, it's just normal interaction. Here's your cursor. If I chose water, here's water. And if I press on reload, see, just updated the message. I just reloaded the message. But we got an error over here, and this is not because of this code, it's because of the message edit code logs. Never mind this error, it's just because the embed, so it is not because of this code. Alright, this is an old error, don't mind it. So after we now got to know how this works, let's talk about the set value. Set value gives you the availability. Let me actually clear this. Give you the availability of choosing multiple values. So not only select one option, but you can select 2 or 3. So I'll just put here the max as 2, and let's test it out. Let me show you how this actually works. So menu. Alright. Oops, bot didn't come online probably. Come online. Oh, there's an error. I guess it's values. Yep, it's values, I guess. Not value, so menu. Yep, it's values. So look, if I chose 1, it adds it here. And because I had 2, I need to choose 2. Alright, as you can see, I cannot choose another one. So now if I just press away, I just chose both, as you can see. And in case, see here, I chose 2. So this, as I told, this is value 0 and this is value 1. Here is here's your cola sir. because the value 0 was actually cola, so it only sent that. So now I want to say, what if I want, like there's 2, so that's actually easy as well. So I'm gonna add the same one. Alright, but I'm gonna do if menu the 0 is equal to cola, and menu dot values 1 is equal to water. Alright, I want to defer it, and then I'm gonna send 1 second, the water and cola will be here. Now let's test it. Let me show you, because this is values 1, value 0. So let's test this out. Cola as 0, water as 1, and oops. Oh, actually, this button has already a reply. Yes, because I just noticed I need to move this up. Alright, here. I need to put it over here. Above this one. And I need to put here return. That's why I got the error. Alright. Because I want to check first if it has both. If it don't, just continue with the one. Alright. So menu. Let's get the cola. Let's get the water. Send. And here, as you can see, 1 second and gone, just get me that. As you can see, perfect. That's what we want exactly. And the default one in the set max is 1. So if I removed it, it's 1. So you don't have to actually put it. It's optional. So after I just told you how to do all of those stuff, there's actually something called a collector. Alright. So you can do a collector with those. It's pretty easy. Just let collector, I'm gonna just call equal m. That is basically this. Let me just do not then m or async message. Actually, let me put it as this. So let call equal message. That is this dot create menu collector, and let me just put here like this. Alright, and let's put time. Alright, after like that, right? Anything. That's just a collector. I'll just show you how to create a collector, and it's basically the same, just call.on collect. Oops, this class. Call.on collect. Alright. And there is and let me just show you right now real quick. So collect, what is wrong here? Alright, I'm gonna just put here B. Let me just console.log the b.id. It's gonna be probably this. Alright, and then I want to b.reply.defer. That's for sure. I will need to remove this from here because I now have a collector, so I don't need the event. Alright, and after the collector ends, let me actually make it 5 seconds. I'll just put here call.end .on end, I mean, and I'm gonna just put here b console.log end. Alright, so oops, I think I messed up. I need to put this here because that is a scope var. So yeah, I mean, I'll put this. If I just check anyone, just put reload. As you can see, it just did the ID. After 5 seconds, it just did the end. That's the collector. Easy. Okay, so let's move on to the last thing, alright? Let me not use the collector for it. Let me use the event. Alright. Which is the last thing, removing this from the message itself. So let's actually make reload remove it. So I'm gonna put here update. It's gonna be no more choices. Come later. All sold. Alright, I need anything. And then I'm gonna put here null. Just null. Now, if I pressed on reload, I'm gonna remove the menu from it. Totally remove it. So menu. What's wrong here? Menu. Oh, I just like this. Let me just put it back here. My bad. So I'm gonna put menu. Come on, bot here. If I just chose reload, as you can see, no more choices, and it removed the menu. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. If you got any question, don't hesitate joining our Discord server. That's it, and ciao.